Our vision basically back when we started the company was to provide the services and capabilities that were currently at that time available to Tier 1 OEMs, the largest companies, and provide that to medium-sized companies. So what it meant for us was to build and buy high-end equipment, high-end capability, and also look at hiring very skilled and experienced people right off the bat. Had a very successful year and a very successful start to the company. And it's continued through to this day. The 25 years, there's been some ups and downs through, lots of challenges. And the fact that we're here today, and kudos to our staff. We've had great customers, as I said, and we really invested a lot of the equipment and things like that through the years to make sure we could meet our customers' needs. But overall, it's the team, it's the employees that are building the product. Everybody supports all the process to make sure the product gets out. That's really what it comes down to. So it's really a big thank you to everybody. We really, really appreciate what you guys have done for us, and thank you. Thank you so much.